Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap Redan local, and long distance movers near me. With the right moving services, your things will arrive safely at your new destination. We offer long distance moving services for those moving 100 miles or more. Our team will load everything, transport it, and unload it for you. We also offer the following moving services: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. Trying to rationalize the cost of using a Georgia moving company might seem difficult at first. However, as you look closer at the benefits, the cost starts to make more sense. It's a wise decision to avoid the heavy lifting, recruiting of friends to help, and the time-consuming task of loading up your moving truck. We can even help with packing and unpacking if you want. Hiring 3 movers means you get a team of movers ready to make the entire process involved in your moving day a success. We know how to get you moved across town fast and efficiently. It might take you several days to move, but for us, we can have you moved in just a few hours. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Redan moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.